Welcome to the Bacon Lowdown. Today we're gonna make
vegan Rice Krispie treats.
Yep.
Extra gooey.
Extra gooey. We found this recipe online. So yeah, I'll write the recipe in the description. All you're gonna need is vegan butter, 2 bags of 10-ounce marshmallows. These are from Trader Joe's, or you can use Dandy's, which we prefer, but that's what we have. These Trader Joe ones happen to be vegan. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 8 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. If you want to stay with the vegan recipe, don't use the regular Kellogg's Rice Krispie because that is not vegan. You have to use a brown rice cereal, and I'll show you which one we use. Let's get started.
That's the brown rice cereal we like to use because it is vegan friendly. Kellogg's Rice Krispies is not. So yeah, check it out.
All right, so we're gonna take our 3/4 cup of butter and pour that into a large pot.
Go.
Yeah, dump it in. We're gonna melt that down, and then we will start adding our other ingredients once the butter is melted. Now we're gonna add our marshmallows. First bag, dump it in. All right, next bag. Yeah, now you're gonna stir that until it gets nice and gooey. It'll take a little bit more time than regular marshmallows if you use vegan marshmallows, but just keep on stirring and it'll be like one big clump. Now, once your marshmallows are all globbed up, you're gonna remove it from the heat and pour your half teaspoon of vanilla extract in. And then we're gonna stir that in and mix it. Yep. Let's mix that in there. Now, right after this, we'll start folding in our Rice Krispie treat cereal. And once it's all blended together, that's it. Pretty simple recipe.
You want to stir it like that.
Next step, rice cereal. 8 cups of your rice cereal, and you're gonna stir it in. Go ahead, start mixing it up little by little until we have it all mixed up, all our cereals in there, and then you're gonna transfer it to this pan so it can form. You can let it cool down for about an hour, and your treats are done. Your Rice Krispies has sat down for an hour. Cut them up like I did. Made some smaller pieces for the kids, bigger pieces for the adults. And if you still have some left over, you can get creative with some silicone molds like we did. Now you have Rice Krispie croissants and Rice Krispie jars. To make it even a little bit more fun, I melted down some chocolate on my double broiler. And we are going to just drizzle all over the Rice Krispies. Alrighty.
Finally finished. Let's take a bite. Spend one day. Tastes like we always make it.
Little chocolate drizzle on top. Yeah, I got food coming out my mouth. Delicious. Extra gooey. Nice and soft. And the chocolate really gives it a little extra. Not part of the recipe, but I highly recommend it.
So like, subscribe, and click
Ring that notification bell. Until next time, have a sweet day.